tried to make a whole video, but I think it was too shit. So I'm gonna remake it. So welcome to our channel. I think this is going to be our first video. And quick review, we tried to make code names, we couldn't. And then she's like half asleep. I've said that like 6 times now. But she's been half asleep for a while. We're making pasta. We're trying to make pasta.
And like you can like kind of see through like.
Also, it's like we started filming at 4:58. It's bro, you need to stop not like
What are you?
God, like that bite is over your time.
Oh my god, bro.
Why is that bite over your time?
Oh my god.
Can you just put it
5:16.
down? Okay, it's 5:16.
5:16 people wake up early in the morning. They go to the temple. They
You wanna go to
pray.
the temple?
This
She
is-
can't walk.
They pray. You know, they start their
You
day.
can pray. Keep class.
So they start their day.
So every single time I pray, I think of my kids. Because my instant go-to prayer is like, "Ek onkar Satnam Guru Sabha Hai."
Yeah. so what was I saying? Yeah, people pray and what are we doing? Which I don't even think it's going so.
Okay, I'll tell you what happens in Chester.
Okay, let me like. Okay.
We have to do something with this too. This is going really bad. That we can fix. This we have to fix. What this like? Okay, but I'll tell you what happens in Chester. So she says she's coming home.
Yeah, actually that's a nice recap.
That's a very nice recap. Take this also. Okay, she said she's coming home, and I was like, okay, come. I've been asking her to come since a while. Just said, it's been a while since we met. That's been a very long time actually. I mean, you know. So she's like, okay, come. And you know, it's like I'll plan the day and all. You don't worry about it.
It's very loudly, no?
She's like, I'll plan the day and all. You don't worry about it. I was like, okay, sounds good. And in the morning, I was like, okay, I'll bathe just in case she wants to go out.
Will you bathe? Right?
Yeah. That's why I told you I just came down.
Oh.
I was watching Netflix after I bathed. So I bathed. I was like, okay, what if she wants to go out? And then she'll be like, why are you not ready?
Yeah.
Like, I came all the way ready. I'll fix this now. That's so yuck. Look at that.
You are so young.
Okay, where was I? Yeah. So I bathed and then I was like, okay, I'll have food. I was really hungry. And okay, bell rings and she says she's coming at 1:30. Like, I was like, fine. That was very weird because who comes at 1:30? She said a person coming. I was like, okay. I didn't reply to that, brother, because that was too weird for me to reply to. Like, okay, come at 1:30.
Right outside your house.
And I was like, fine, I'll eat and stuff. And we're probably not going out if she's coming at 1:30. So I was like, okay, I'll wear like t-shirt. And bell rings, and that was not 1:30. And I was like, who's coming at this time? And I was like, is that eggshell?
That's what I'm saying. I don't know what it is. I think.
But I think it's just the flakes.
No, it's the eggshell down.
Did you break it inside?
See, there are so many more.
Did you just break a whole eggshell inside?
No, I think that's the dough. You know, that's
Yeah.
the eggshell. That's why I asked you not.
Bro, you know we haven't even gone into the main part of the
Okay,
recap.
fine. Get there, it's fine.
Wait, let me fix this.
That's why I asked.
We can make this thinner when we put it into. We'll like warm it up a bit so it's easy to work with and we'll put it.
Okay, continue.
Okay. Then I opened the door and she's like, I could see her through the keyhole. So I was like, oh, she's here. Okay, fine. I opened the hi. Peaceful. Going back to my food. My mom said, you also eat because like she loves mama's padus and chutney. My mom made special chutney. I picked out like all the pudina and all from my front yard thingy.
My god, just
Bell rings again. And I'm like, what the fuck? And then I go and I look through the keyhole and it's just black. And I'm I'm like, oh, that's my brother probably. I forgot he was still sleeping. And I opened the door and Nityam and Gaurav were there. Okay, and I was like really confused for a second. But the thing is, I was really hungry. So I was like, okay, come in. Let me go back to my
She was like, what the fuck? And I'm recording, I'm like, that's it. I was expecting a little bit. Oh my god.
I was really hungry. Like, really hungry.
Like, what the fuck? That's it, bitch. I was recording, by the way, I have the video.
Okay, so now the thing is, I thought Natham was in Rameshwaram. He told me he was in Rameshwaram. Like last night only. Okay? We were having this whole convo and he's like, oh, you know, are you fans? And I was like, no, not really. He's like, बोलते हो बाद दिन आ जाऊँगा. अच्छा. He's like, बस तो देख 24 hours में तेरे घर के बाद. Like मैं बैंगलोर में नहीं हूँ, सिर्फ next week ही आऊँगा. Like तेरे लिए 24 hours is like एक दिन. I mean sorry, एक week. He's like, ठीक है. And then so I didn't expect him to be in Bangalore at all. And Gaurav, I was talking to till like 2 yesterday. Like 2 o'clock we were talking to and he didn't mention anything. And I was like, bro, I sent you that text. Like, oh, you guys should come home. He's like, yeah, I'll see tomorrow. I don't know. Day after tomorrow I'm busy. Saturday, Sunday I have training. Maybe next week. Dekhte hain. I was like, ठीक है जो भी. We're talking till 2 and he didn't mention jack shit. So that was like very not expected. It was really sweet. It was very sweet. And then we had a good time. We played cards and we played Uno.
Yeah, continue.
Yeah, we played cards and we played Uno. And then we went to the pool. Oh, we ordered food. And then we ate food. Food was mid. Like,
No, food was ass.
no.
The
Gobi was
gobi
nice.
manchurian was
Gobi
nice.
manchurian was really nice. Paneer tikka was really nice. Okay, food was ass. Like, actual food was ass. And
We ordered butter kulcha, we had papad.
No, why's my hair doing that? Oh, guys, fix it. Guys, next vlog I'll look nice. I swear I look nice.
Yeah, bro, like, that's what we were.
That's what we are, right? Okay, but what? Oh, then went to the pool. Guess what Nathan decided to do? Throw a card in the pool.
Oh my god.
That was a whole
Bro, we should
journey.
like add like a small clip.
I'm not editing this.
Okay.
Okay, but that happened. And then, yeah, that's all. It was a lot of work getting it back. Like,
A lot
of
of
work.
work.
Trust.
Like a lot.
Half our clothes were dressed, chappals were in water. We
Cars
got
were
like
in
giant
water.
rods that she couldn't hold. We were half submerged. They were doing nothing. Punjabi
then-
songs are playing in background,
and then-
and I'm just there with like,
And then we had to put the
I'm not gonna show them how I was sitting there.
or like open hair.
No, my eyes are shut.
You हो गया. I did like 2, 3.
I'm done. I'm not gonna leave now. Okay, anyways. Continue, you continue.
Okay, and then that took a lot of work, and after we used the huge ass rod, what helped us get the card out? Chappal.
Oh no, but all of my
All of your
rod skills helped getting to the side at least. That card
didn't-
is fucked now.
Yeah, that card is fucked. Like it actually looks like someone fucked. Okay.
I think
And
we've woken
then-
up the whole house.
And then after that, Nityam and Gaurav left.
I left exactly when he said they left.
Okay, and then Nityam and Gaurav left. And then me and Simran started talking about pineapple.
First, I had to convince someone to let us stay there.
Oh yeah. I feel like my mom just saw it coming. Okay, pour some for me. No?
Oh, I'm not pouring it in that. Just have it. It's like one sip. You see how much? But हमारी औकात देखो और हमारा क्लास देखो.
Okay, anyway, so Nityam and Gaurav left after that. And then
Why was this?
to Loser that got cancelled. And then we talked about pineapple. We talked about periods. We talked about
We talked about too much.
we talked about too much.
Bro, we've just been talking today. But like, understandable. We haven't met in like a while.
Yeah, and then we came back. Oh no! And then we sat near her pool with the prettiest view of the moon. With the moon, and that was really pretty. And then we came back home, and then
Oh, my mom took us for grocery.
yeah, we went out for a drive.
She was so excited.
Yeah, our mom took us out for grocery shopping, and then we came back home, and then we put all of that, and then we ordered food, and then we played, and then I learned how to play chadar.
Oh, yeah.
I learned how to play chadar. I learned how to play teen patti. I learned how to
Learned
play
rummy.
monkey. I learned how to play
How much
rummy.
cards we played today?
Yeah, and then
We
after
played
that.
Uno.
Yeah, and then we didn't let Simrat finish his story for like 10 minutes straight, and then that was
That
very
I
fun. That was
But I just kept talking. They just अब ये order करो, अब ये order करो, अब ये भी है, ये वाला भी है, ये वाला भी है, ये and then it's like continuously. No. Like they let me say half a sentence. That's when it comes.
that was really fun. Like that was really fun. And then after that, we ordered
Oh.
food.
No, this video doesn't have our kids. We have.
I'm telling you, I did that.
Too lazy. Okay, guys.
Okay,
But
we'll-
if you're serious. तभी बेलन होगा अभी बेलन होगा नो कॉन्टेक्स्ट बट बेलन है मार पिटेगी
So that you have some, what do we call
Some
it?
proof.
Fear from us. Bro, I think we'll just start bullying. okay. And then we ordered food. That was really nice. And then we
I
sat.
can't do this
And then we, oh my god, bro, like just, and that's why you don't take such big. See, this is why. Okay, you continue after we ordered food.
ordered food
Yeah.
and then we talked again
Obviously.
no we stood in the hallway in the dark for 20 minutes
Little
talking
bit
about
TMI happened. I was going for TMI, but okay.
Well, we could have gone anywhere. This was the whole living room. This was the whole living room. 2 bedrooms here. No, we're in the middle of everywhere. We're just standing, we're like having serious convo about it.
About-
And we're like,
We're having serious conversation about sex.
it was serious, just saying.
Yeah, but like very serious conversation.
Like, no joke.
Yeah.
Like, for real.
Yeah.
And then, that was the most sarcastic sounding for real ever. But no one being for
Yeah.
And then food came, and then we came down, and then we spent like the next 2 hours with my parents just talking.
Just talking, and her dad's like, you guys have so much to talk to.
What did you tell my dad? But you don't. Oh, apparently they've been talking in this shit. They can't tell me. No, you gotta tell me now.
No.
No, what happened?
No.
No, if it's like not tell me, then it's something serious.
Yeah.
So what is it?
I'm not gonna tell you. Okay, continue with the story.
You didn't tell me.
Okay.
And then that was sad. And then we just talked. We talked about school and how a double bunch of
We talked
days
about
are-
Mashama.
We should tell them about our double bunch days.
So you know we had these double benches for our summer school.
Oh, I'm gonna be sad. So no stress.
So now you seem a little drunk. Are you sure you didn't mix something else in here? Because she was very particular about her. She didn't let me taste it also. And it looked different also. No. Okay, but yeah, we had double benches.
Oh,
and we
but
don't-
that was dad's pride. So we never know.
Okay, but we had double benches, and now we won't have double benches anymore because summer school is over, and like we'll have to sit in
We
different
were like, we made really good memories.
Yeah,
in that
we-
classroom and that
we-
bench.
Yeah,
Those were very good months of our lives.
Yeah, very.
We just had the best thing in the class.
Yeah, we would sleep.
When everyone was fighting over all the seasons, they would just not fight over class. Like they would be struggling for season. No, let's just take ours. I don't know. Still, we took dibs over it. We don't turn in. Dibs. Don't take our bench. Simran this side, Nidhi this side. Oh, that Nidhi was cut off, but it's fine.
Okay, first for hearing that out, I again wrote my name.
Again.
Yeah, I cut out Shaurya's name. I don't know why he did that though.
Because we weren't giving him a place on the bench.
So
He cut it out.
it was not even his class.
Okay, but we had a reading with that.
And
Bro, I'm telling you, we slept so much, we ate so much, we studied a little bit.
and the fact that people didn't even bother us. They were like, let them do what
let
whatever
them
they do.
sleep.
If they're
We were
sleeping,
like-
they would just leave us.
But like we would sleep like that. We would like end up sleeping like that. Then we would wake up, I would
Yeah.
look at her,
And then
I would
I'll
wake
pull
her
her.
up, I would wake her up, and then there would be like a pillow here, so we would just sleep again.
And it was like the perfect time, you know, just before lunch. And then we
Yeah.
wake up, then we have lunch,
so
and
then
then
you're
we
like
study
fresh.
thoda sa.
Then
Yeah.
you're like, oh man, now we can make notes.
Yeah.
It was nice.
Yeah, it was nice. Yeah, so basically we talked about that today for like 2 hours, and then we had like
We
really
just,
fun.
we just talked about it with the same excitement again. I don't care if we talked about it for 2 hours today.
Okay, and then we talked to her dad for almost 2 hours, and then what did we do? We
Oh,
went-
my dad was learning Spanish while all of that was happening.
Yeah, he just kept
randomly saying words.
Hola. Amigos. I'm like, uncle.
Those are the only 2 words you know. Hola, amigos.
Yeah, and then
I think to Nina's, you go.
okay,
And I don't know.
and then we went to her room. Then we talked.
Okay,
We talked
a
a
lot.
We talked about give me a code word here.
No, that's too much for a code word.
Okay, fine. So we talked. We talked a lot.
We talked a lot.
And
I had to pee in the middle and then she had to pee.
yeah. Yeah, that involved a lot of people.
Oh, no.
Basically everyone. You know, we didn't leave anyone out of the conversation.
Yeah.
Literally
Everyone made like a debut.
Yeah, so
Take, thoda sa.
they are sorry, they are very cool.
Who sleeps now? We'll have food, we'll have breakfast, we'll meet everyone, then we'll sleep.
Okay, so
Because like, bro, anyways, like, those hours are very unproductive. Like, 9 to 2. You know?
fine, so you're gonna let me sleep then.
Yeah, and it'll be like hot also, so we'll sleep peacefully. We don't have to experience that hotness. We'll sleep in the AC or the cooler. We don't have to be alive during that part of the day.
Anyway,
That's
so
good math class.
And then what did we do?
Oh, then
We talked
we
about
had
it,
to
and
calm
we-
down.
Then we were like, let's
She
go.
wanted to make kiss the piss.
Yeah,
So-
I want to make kiss the piss. For
But we like-
context, gee, one job you have. What's that, bro?
What's that, brother?
What's that, brother? But the okay, and then we came down and then we
I kind of
made-
like this plugging. We should like do
Yeah.
recaps like that after like the whole day when we're like tired to do anything else.
It's a minute.
It's right. We should go. Like
Yeah.
this should be our recaps.
Yeah, and then we came down and we made like really nice, pretty drinks.
Oh, but this time I was like, I actually put a little bit of work into it. Oh my god.
Yeah, and it was really nice. And after that, we
Oh, you didn't give them context. So my birthday drink was called Kiss the Piss.
that
Because they were basically like kissing my piss.
no, because
And I pissed in the drink.
no, oh my god, no. So why is it kiss the piss? Because it looked like piss.
So now I remember.
Yeah, now because it looked like piss, and kiss rhymes with you have this, bro. It's okay. They don't have to be that scared of me. Okay. So like they I'm saying, yeah, it looked like piss and it rhymes with piss.
We tried it that
Chili.
day also. That'll be fun.
Huh?
Okay. I'll edit that day also. Oh, we should have taken. Okay, it's fine.
Okay, so we made kiss the piss, and then like she made kiss the piss, and I just like did something, and then we danced, and then we took like 3 business days to make dough.
We took a lot of clips also.
Yeah, we took a lot of clips, and then after we made the dough, we talked for like another 2 hours. We were sitting in the kitchen counter in this much space, quite
Oh.
literally.
I had to open up. We not had to. But like we talked about my 6. Like when I was like 6.
My one true love.
My one true love.
Nidhi, I love him. How old were you?
I-
6 years.
I don't know his name. Have you shared an umbrella under the rain while watching a waterfall? It was so cute.
So it's hard to take you seriously with those classes.
That's so cute though.
And then yeah, she
Oh,
told
he's
me
a
about
one true
her-
love, and he'll always be.
Yeah. Oh, I love doing that. Never mind. And then what did we do?
No,
Then
no,
finally we were like, okay, you know what?
Then no finally. Then she was
So
like, we gotta
I was like, bro, I'm very
study.
sleepy, like very
Oh,
sleepy.
I was
very
gonna say
sleepy.
sleep. I said study.
And
I think I'm losing it now.
Yeah. And then I was like, can you please sleep? She's like, yeah, sure. Why not? And then she,
There's one room here.
yeah, she's like, sleep here only. I was like, okay, fine. And then we came here because fan hai. And then we started talking again. And then,
How much we talk?
yeah.
Where do we get content from?
And then she's like, oh, you can go sleep, because she had the whole theory, stupid theory. And then she's like, you can go sleep. I'm like, oh, okay, thank you. And then she's like, Nidhi, wait, the dough, it might get bad. You know what?
It is getting bad. Like, look at the.
You don't see I am getting bad. You don't see I might rot.
Can you?
And then she was like, you know what, let's make vlogs. And that's how we made the
Very
first vlog. Like, not
But
the
the
first
first
vlog,
one's
the
like
first
thoda-
attempt. The first take.
But like, there was just no good placement.
No,
Like-
that's a very nice and candid placement.
No, but like, I wouldn't want to watch that.
Who's asking you to watch it? Do you think you'll watch it? It's like 22 fucking minutes.
Like someday probably. Like I'll probably fast forward and watch it, but I'll watch it. And like I wanna be able to see shit. I'll show you the placement. Deja vu.
So this is like
This was literally our whole
So this,
video.
are you
Except
giving
this.
them like a view into the past? Like what we were doing?
There was a lot of struggle to put it there, but like that was
I really like
also
that.
showing the manics.
Oh.
Showing the manics. This one shook, this one does. It's pink.
And then what did we do? It's just that something about this frame is just so comforting to me.
Then let the rest of the video be that free.
Okay, and then we started vlogging, and then so in between all this, I think I begged her
To sleep.
to sleep for like and yeah, I think
the
at
video
least
also shows.
100 times or something. But she didn't let me. So I
Now she's stuck. She's been stuck for like 40 minutes rolling down. Which is not gonna give us any food in the end of it.
Bro, I'm telling you, if you like make like a nice sauce,
We have pesto ready.
pesto, yeah.
We can like add cheese to it, we can add milk to it, we
Don't
can
ask me
melt
to do
it.
it now. I'll roll you. I'll
No,
throw
you take rest for a while. Don't sleep, take rest for a while.
I'll kill you.
Oh, do you wanna like try this? If this doesn't work, we'll have to boil proper pasta. I think.
What do you mean?
I don't think this is gonna work.
What do you mean?
It's not gonna be yummy.
Why
It's not even
not?
gonna boil properly. Let's try it.
सिमरत मैं कुछ तोड़ दूंगी सर पे something I'll break.
I'll pour a little bit of water.
Neon. You think that'll help? Bro,
Also, guys, the first thing she did when she came home was change into my clothes.
yeah, because I thought we're going out and I'm not used to wearing clothes. I mean, bro, first of all, can we please clear this? I've been wanting to say this since the morning. I didn't want to wear clothes today in the morning. Like when I opened my cupboard, I'm like, it's so hot in Bangalore that I cannot physically wear clothes. Any piece of cloth on my body just seemed like
It's not cloth. It's a weight. It's like you're going to the gym wearing
Yeah.
everything.
and I was like so irritated. I was like, I don't want to wear clothes on me. Like, can I walk naked to my house? Okay, and then I'm like, okay, no, I'm gonna wear shorts. And then I was like, no, we might go out for.
Okay. She didn't walk naked.
A little bit, I don't want to be the entertainment piece for the next 1 week for Bangalore people, and
One
then
week?
and then be on your insurance car news. And then I came to her house. I'm like, listen, we're not going in.
Oh my god, I'll tell them in shorts ka news. Amit Trivedi got insulin shot. He overdosed on mangoes, I think. He wanted to get his sugar level up. And then he told his wife, don't put sugar in my food. And then this guy got arrested for sneaking in 50 anacondas at the airport. I think he was trying to film that movie or get into real life. I don't know. He was just arrested. It was like elections are happening on 26th. And my mom's gonna vote. And she doesn't know to who.
But like, how did he not know that the security check the people will see the snakes?
But they'll probably be like, oh, toys होंगे. Like snake toys.
इतने बुद्धू होते तो उनको जॉब नहीं मिलता.
Bro, they in the metro station, they don't care what's. Bro, I've seen
Bro, but
people
airport
sneak.
में properly check.
Yeah, bro, but I've seen people like sneak weed and stuff. I've seen people sneak alcohol in like the metro station.
I don't know what you're talking about. I have no idea.
Oh, God, it's gonna go and like, oh, government, if you're watching this, that didn't happen. I'm just bullshit. You can't hold our words against me. This is a personal law. You don't have. We need a lawyer.
The government is watching.
We need a lawyer. I need a lawyer now.
Okay, I think so.
I mean, bro, government can hide so much from us. Oh, we had the whole con with that also.
Yeah.
With us,
We
like,
we forgot the part where we went to the park and we talked about the cult.
oh, we went to the park, we talked about cults, we talked about UFOs and government and
And we saw people.
what people did we see? Oh, yeah. What other than that? We saw people we didn't say hi to. It's fine. This is us only. Do you think we'll remember who? After like years?
I definitely.
Really? I don't think so. I don't think it's gonna be like a big enough deal.
I just know now
It's
that
really
we talked about it, we will definitely remember.
But like it's kind of shitty how I know it's not gonna be that big. Like, oh, it's fine. I just didn't say hi. Why was I freaking out over it?
yeah, that you might think. Okay, but like.
It was me though.
I waved. Next thing she's like, did you have to?
Yeah, because it was too late to wave, and then I don't want to ignore. But it was too late to wave.
I know they don't even know what.
It's coffee.
Yeah. Okay, and now
Oh, his code name should be Glass.
glass.
Yeah. Because this glass there.
Oh, glass.
This glass there. You need to get that joke. This glass there, this glass there.
So
You get
glass.
it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Glass. It's kind of nice. That's kind of a nice one. Bro, that actually like the whole video feels like I'm drunk because of the glasses also.
This gave me very go shorty. It's your birthday. We're
You
gonna
go
party like it's your birthday.
I don't drink.
Party like it's your birthday. I don't give a fuck about your
Oh,
birthday.
she's censoring these
words. Some words. Bro, Simran, that. Bro, you know what you did that? Bitch. Bro, sitting here. First word I say is pants. So my mom was like, first word I talked to them. Auntie like, आप भी बोलते हो? Then she's like, क्या बोला? क्या बोला? मैंने क्या बोला? हमने क्या बनाया है? We were ballers. हाँ? We were ballers. You go boy. Go shy. I'll sleep or standing in bed. Go shawty, it's your birthday. We're going party like it's your birthday. Go sip a coffee.
Oh, she's turning
like
18
it's your
herself.
birthday. And we don't give a fuck, it's not your birthday. She's turning 18. That's right.
I'm
And-
turning 18 this year.
And you all are not invited.
We kinda are. Because we would have, those people would have attended it. And we're just here talking
At
about
this
it.
point, I'm just concerned who's watching.
Okay, till now, no.
No one is read. It's the
31 minutes.
You better upload it and delete it because it's going to take over.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. I think that's it for the vlog today. For the
No. We'll stay for like 5 more minutes. Was a good recap, guys.
Oh, now you know.
We'll do this more. Sometimes. When we feel like.
Yeah.
Because I'm not giving 30 minutes of my day to YouTube. Not a bad idea. But I think
Well, it won't take 30 minutes to upload this. It will take like 10 minutes to upload.
this was 30 minutes.
So how are you giving 30 minutes to YouTube?
Okay, come, we'll give them. Oh. What's that called? Oh, BTS. We don't have BTS because that was the whole video and I'm not gonna edit it. But like, we're gonna like fake make BTS, okay? So like, you have to make like bad faces now. Like.
Oh, like behind the scenes.
Yeah.
Like this is what happened behind the
Okay,
scenes. guys.
now we're gonna like.
Okay, good enough.
Oh wait. I'll give them thought it's a dancing part also because behind the scenes there was like a little bit of dancing. I need space for that. There? Can you see me? Your arm is only. No. This was behind the scenes. This was not in the video.
That was not in the video.
This is behind the scenes.
This is not the video scene. This is Simrat behind the scene. This is Simrat always behind the scene.
Nice.
Okay. Yeah.
Bye. Love you.
Okay. Bye.
Oh no. Do the. Oh yeah.
We learned a new thing there.
Yeah.
It's a thing.
I don't
now.
think it's. This can be a YouTube thing.
Yeah. Okay.
Bye.